If Discord is stuck on checking for updates, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now. And the best part is, we're not deleting any files. This is a safe troubleshooting method that can help get Discord loading again without making things more complicated than they need to be. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we want to fully close Discord. Sometimes the app looks closed, but it's still running in the background and getting stuck in the update loop. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once it opens, look through the list of running apps and processes for anything related to Discord. You may see Discord listed more than once, and that's completely normal. Select each Discord task one by one and click End Task. The goal here is to make sure Discord is completely shut down before you try opening it again. Now that Discord is fully closed, the next step is to run it as an administrator. This can help if Discord is having permission issues while trying to update. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, then type Discord into the search bar. When Discord appears in the results, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Then let Discord try loading again and see if it gets past the checking for update screen. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily cause Discord to get stuck while trying to download update data. Start by turning Wi-Fi off and then back on again. If that doesn't help, restart your router and give your connection a minute to fully come back online. Also, if you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily. Sometimes Discord has trouble connecting properly when those services are active. If Discord is still stuck, try switching to a different network. This is a really useful test because it helps you figure out whether the problem is your current internet connection or Discord itself. You can try connecting your PC to a mobile hotspot or test Discord on another Wi-Fi network if one is available. If Discord loads normally on a different network, then the issue is likely related to your main connection rather than the app. Now let's check for Windows connection issues. Press Windows and R together on your keyboard to open the run box. Then type ms-settings:network-status and press Enter. This will open your network status settings. From there, look for any options that help you restart or reconnect your network. If needed, disconnect and reconnect to Wi-Fi again, then try opening Discord one more time. At this point, one of these steps should usually fix the problem. To recap, you fully closed Discord, ran it as administrator, checked your internet, tested a different network, and refreshed your Windows network connection. Those are the main safe fixes for Discord being stuck on checking for updates without deleting any files. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step fixes. It really helps the channel and it lets me know to make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.